Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Sadia Biology Notes where learning comes alive. Today's lecture is about fish behave in sensory and behavior perspectives. It's important to understand fish ecosystem also because they play important role in our life like other animals or birds as well, like understanding their interaction with their own species individually, their relation with prey, understanding their neural biology. Study of structure and functions of a nervous system and study of their hormones and endocrine glands also. Moreover, a fish gets involved in interaction with tetrapods, like four-limbed animals, which can be wings, flippers, or legs. Their communication and social learning behave, migration, and dispersal, reproduction, foragging, all the behaviors falls in their present patterns, which they follow. The most important keys to survival they use as follow a sensory system. First, they have a vision system to sense against their prey or predators and mates. They own a color vision differences to see underwater environment. Deep water fishes have a developed bioluminescence sensitivity, means they produce and emit in light by their own body through specialized organs or cells. Some fishes may use bioluminescent bacteria or other organisms to produce light. Second most important sensory system is hearing and sound detection, in which they locate their prey and predators and plus to communicate with each other and for navigation. For navigation, they may use lateral line called as otoliths, small calcium carbonate structures in their inner ear or system of bones, and sensory organs that connect swim bladder to inner ear to detect sound waves. Some of its species have an other amazing hearing quality, so they can hear low frequency sound to avoid their predators or any other danger. Lateral line system also used by fish to sense water movement and vibrations to detect nearby presence of any other species or objects, even through the water, which making it difficult to see, called as musky water. Olfaction and taste are related to chemical world. Controlled by chemical secretions, allocate food, recognize mates by releasing chemicals in their way to mark territories and more. They can taste their environment whether it's good to eat the food they got in their way or not. Taste buds are located outside of the body and also inside of their body. For movement and activity, exploration and navigation, and for social interactions, they behave behavior needs acquired, like presence of physical structures like rock reefs, vegetation, and sunken logs, also including depth and width complexity called as spatial complexity, and also includes temporal such as tidal cycles, seasonal changes, and water level fluctuations. Feeding behavior of fish also have a great impact on fish living strategy. To raid their prey, graze on plants or algae or filter feeds that feed on small invertebrates or other small particles like oysters, sponges, jellyfishes, whales, etc. Hiding or taking shelter are including in seeking security is another form of navigation with environment. Hiding space offers shelter from danger or alarming scenario. Territorial behavior in fishes are established to mark their boundaries within they have access to food, resources, and mates. And border conflict or territory dispute also occur in aquarium tank. This conflict can be resolved by providing them a proper habitat and space to promote natural behavior. Natural behavior refer to non-aggressive calm behavior. I hope you understand some behavior relating strategies and tools of this fish species they use to navigate for survival. Thank you so much subscribing my channel and like this video.